This one are street yarns from Wazobia TV. Making not touch there. My name na MC Shaggy. The question when I get today now, if you be God for 1 week, what you go do? What you go do? If you be God for 1 week, what you go do? Now like this, we don't enter street, make we hear so many opinions from different people. What did they go do? If na me, sha, I go clear the earth. I'll clear and then create another new people. Because the earth is polluted. The air don't pollute finish. So the matter, make we enter street. We hear from different people. Oh shit, feel it. My brother, if you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
If I be God for 1 week, I don't hammer now.
You don't hammer.
What for you? Never hammer, brother. Hammer. Don't hammer.
If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
If you are a God, you have to be. You see, God don't have anybody. He don't have family. Yes. God don't born. Yes. Because if God have son and children, there will be problem for God. That's why God don't have anybody. God
still on the matter. Oh shit. Feel it. Street yard. All out. Oh boy, the guy don't the guy don't share, man. Still on the matter. We enter the street, yo. Madam, Alpha, how you did that? Come to the shit. Hey, Alpha, Muna Kuda. Now just simple question. No, we are always in a hurry. See, Muna, just one question. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
Yeah, no, if you answer that question.
No, if you answer that question. You just make God give you chance, maybe God for 1 week. What you go do?
I beg.
This guy the best. I bet my use of the lyrics. I beg. This guy the best. If you be God for 1 week, what you go?
I destroy and create another one when I go feel you. This one don't corrupt.
This one don't corrupt.
I swear.
You don't corrupt.
No repair, beyond repair.
Beyond repair. Oh boy, wow. Thank God. God not be man. Oh. If God the man, I for don't die you. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do? So many people don't answer that question. People like say the question too big past their head. Oh shit, let's still on the street matter. Woo! Okay, Father. Still on the matter, I swear today there. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do to this earth?
I'll do wonders. Because there are some wicked people.
A lot of
all over Nigeria, all over the world.
Especially
so if I am God now, I'll destroy the world and put another one.
You put another one. Confirm it too. Yeah. Anyhow now. Still on the matter. Straight hands. Mama, good afternoon. No, just small question to answer. No, relax. Question. Mama, if you come now, if you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
You say?
If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
If I be God?
For 1 week.
For 1 week? If I be God? For 1 week, what I go do? I go bless everybody.
Go bless everybody. Hey, as a mother, you go bless everybody. Make sure everybody dey okay. Everybody wey not get money, go give them money. Everybody wey not get money, go give them wife. And you go pieces all of them. Allah. So no matter. I just one question I want to ask. Just one question. If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
Ask first.
What you gonna do? You see, I tell you, say everybody they also for this country, there are many, even the fandom self they also. You see them, all of them. They don't fit talk, their fandom. If you be God for 1 I see you still on the street yarns from Wazobia TV. Oh shit, if you be God for 1 week, what till you go do? How you go take tidy the earth? Yes, sir. How far now?
I did.
Just one question I want to ask you.
How it go?
God,
Yeah.
for 1 week, what you go do?
If I be gone for 1 week, I go take care of my family, oh, bros. And I will take care of you too. My people go close to me. I need the thing. And the money sef, you go dey my side too. My brother.
You see Nigerians, they stay. Some people they very selfish. If you be God for 1 week, 1 week, if you be God, what you go do?
All my family and everybody, we are pumping always. Yes.
Your family.
Yes, and everybody in short, everybody, including you.
So now what you go just do be that?
Any one person, one car, any one person, one car, and one house.
I pray make this country better. You see where the selfishness starts. Even the individual self get selfishness. I know you are going somewhere. I can be running with you. Just one question.
I won't talk.
One question.
I won't talk.
One question. Oh shit! If you be God for 1 week, what you go do?
God for 1 week. First of all, I will bless everybody.
You bless everybody.
Who not rich go rich. Then mostly those people that are sick. I will heal everybody so that everybody will be sound and healthy.
Go kill Ebola self.
I say sickness. No matter when man say sickness, anything man say sickness, I make sure I heal everything.
Oh boy, the year he's saying go kill everything. People kill anything killable.
What you go do? I know how I go do now.
What of you?
Me and the same now.
What you talk when you know say you dey say na the same? What you talk when you know say na the same? What you go do? What you dey say na the same? All of na the same na the same. They ain't not talk anything. Now working for you with that. Another way with that. Yeah.
If I be God for 1 week, I go make this. I'll make everywhere this peaceful.
Everywhere they peaceful.
Yeah.
Or everywhere not they peaceful.
Thank you.
So apart from that, we show that.
I go make everybody enjoy.
I will make everybody enjoy.
Yes.
After enjoyment, no that thing again.
What's that thing?
The way the Nigeria be now, what you go do?
That is the peaceful. What I say I go first do first time.
Like
the
which
first
way you want to make them peaceful?
no more Boko Haram, first of all.
Yeah.
No more killing.
No more killing.
Yeah. And no more corruption.
No more corruption.
Yeah. No more stealing money from the government. But I say God, I will make sure say all those things no go day. I go remove inside from human being. Are you getting me now? I will take it from you. No think about corruption, killing, bombing and anything. Are you getting me now? That's all. That's why we good.
Allah.
Oṣé máa jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ọ̀gá jẹ́ kẹ́mi gbó kó tó lọ.
Ṣé ọmọ lílẹ̀ ni ẹ?
Owó ọmọ nílẹ̀ kan. Corruption tí mo sọ pé mo fẹ́ gbà nìyẹn kí ló ń ṣe. Now I wan take it from it's CJ.
Receive the anointing. Receive the. So what you say? If we God for 1 week, what you go do?
I go make all these presidents make them perish. All the people where they eat our money. God bless Nigeria now. If I be God for all earth, all these countries where they make things no they okay. I go permit all them. All of them. Even I go send water, send fire, send diesel, send whatever sending. I will send make them.
Anything sendingable.
Any conjoyable. Even I go even me Babala will make them pay everybody. Oh na go. I will even send devil, make devil help me wipe. I will send Babalawo now because now me give am small power, make it help me. If I no fit come down, I go send people where they down, make them help me pay anybody. No wait, but now me give them power. Now me create all the leaf and everything.
Come.
You understand?
Yeah.
My brother,
what you go do?
Man, just like he said, that is the same thing I'm going to do. Yes. I go make other president, make them die so that this country go dey better. All the country go dey better. No dey easy. See Nothing boy don on the streets. Nothing. Waiting. Omo, you need to survive.
They see me. May they vex. They know they happy. They know they happy at all.
Okay, what I go do for 1 week? I will bring out Christian and Muslims together.
Christian and Muslims
together. That's the problem we have in this world. We make sure that we have some people who are Muslim and Christians. When they're able to have one mind, the problem in this country will be solved. The problem the whole world will be solved.
So that's only what you go feel.
Yes, just Muslims and Christians together. Unite. Once they unite, no more fight.
You guys make point to unity. When there's unity, there will be peace. No more bombing. No more Boza! Still on the street, this one Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Make you not touch the die.